Hi there, welcome back to Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardowns. We try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Framework 360, which is basically an all-in-one platform for marketing and sales. So as you will see soon, they basically do a lot of stuff, including in marketing automations for emails and SM text messages, website builders, landing pages, and more. So straight away, we can start with the fact that the headline is very clear, and so the prospect will have a clear idea on what they do. What they do as well, which is really good from a conversion standpoint, is that they've added a basically a field for an email. Okay, so they're already asking for an email, which is good because I'm sure this will increase the number of opt-ins that they get. However, it might be helpful if they actually added an incentive for a prospect to insert their email, and that could be anything from a freebie, a discount, or anything that might encourage them to provide their emails. Okay, and here they've got a picture of the software and what they do well, which is really good straight away, is they've got an instant element of credibility in terms of the hundreds of companies that have already used this software. Okay, you can see the very high average ratings from Capterra, Software Advice, SourceForge, and GitHub. So this straight away gives them an instant credibility element. And here they go more in depth about all the features that they've got. As we said before, they've got website builder, landing page, e-commerce, marketing automation, pop-ups, and more. So they've got a lot of things that they can provide to the prospects. And here they go more in depth about how they're using AI to power their platform. And here you can see even more integrations that you can use if you wanted to use these particular tools in conjunction with the actual platform. And they've also got a mobile app, which makes it more of accessible for smartphones. Um, Here they've got also an affiliate program that you can join if you want. And what they do well, again, here from a conversion standpoint, is the fact that they've got a frequently asked questions section. So this is good to handle any objections that a prospect might have in their minds before making a purchasing decision. And it's good because it goes very in depth into exactly how this software works and anything that a prospect might need. And again, they try to get your email here, which is good. Right, so this then takes us to the end of the homepage. They also got a YouTube channel where you can go and watch tutorials on how to use the software, which is really helpful. And just to look at the prices as well, if I click on prices, let's see what it does for us. And as you can see, the pricing page is also very clear. It goes very in depth into each feature that is available with each tier, and each price is shown very clearly, which is good. And therefore, a prospect will be able to find the tier that's perfect for them with a lot of information, which is good. And they offer a 30-day free trial, which is really good. And even more frequently asked questions. And as we said before, very helpful to handle any objection that a prospect might have. Okay. So other than that, I guess from a conversion standpoint, usually what we would try to do is to identify any areas where the attention of any prospect is concentrated using tools like heat maps, click maps, and scroll maps. And the scroll maps are very helpful as well to see how far down the page prospect will actually scroll and see which areas are actually getting left out of the attention of the users. And if we see that any any elements that we might want the prospect to actually see are not actually being seen because they're not scrolling down enough, then what we would suggest from a A/B test standpoint is to actually potentially move some of those elements higher up on the page. Okay. Other than that, I think this step therefore takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you are a SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call. Other than that, I hope you guys have a nice day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.